Relative velocity. We have to define a relative velocity and explain. Relative velocity the relative velocity of a body with respect to another body. Relative velocity of a body with respect to another body is the velocity with which the first body will appear to move with respect to the another body or as observed by the another body. Is the velocity with which the body will appear to move with respect to the another body or as observed from the another body or observed by the another body by the another body. Also it is defined also the relative velocity is defined. The relative velocity is defined the time rate of change of position of the body with respect to another. The relative velocity is defined as the time rate of change of relative position of the first body with respect to another. Time rate of change of relative position of one body with respect to another. With respect to another. If vector Va and if two bodies A and B, if the two bodies A and B are moving with the different velocity vector V and vector Vb in different directions at an angle theta, two bodies A and B are moving with the velocities vector Va and vector Vb. Vector V and vector Vb in two different directions. In two different directions at an angle theta with each other at an angle theta, comma. Now we can draw the diagram. The relative velocity of the body A with respect to another body B. Relative velocity of the body A with respect to the another body B. Two bodies A and B. So here this is the explanation. If the two bodies A and B are moving with velocities V and vector V and vector Vb, the relative velocity of body A with respect to another body B is given by vector VAB equal vector VA minus vector VB. That means relative velocity is the difference of velocity vectors of the two bodies, vector VA minus vector VB. Therefore, vector VAB can be written as vector VA plus minus vector VB plus under bracket minus vector VB. That means we have to add vector VA with minus vector VB to get relative velocity of the body A with respect to the another body B. This is the expression of vector VAB, which is vector VA minus vector VB. Now we can draw the diagram to explain the concept of relative velocity. Here, a body A is moving in this direction with a velocity vector VA towards right. A body is moving towards right with with a velocity vector VA. Another body is vector VB. Another body is B, which is also moving, which starts from the same point as that of A, and it is moving with velocity vector VB in a different direction at an angle theta with the direction of motion of the body A. So according to the equation, we have to add vector VA with minus vector VB. That's why vector VB should be reversed. We have to consider the opposite direction of motion of the body B. So this is vector VA and this is vector VB. Vector VB. Two bodies start their motion from the point O. A is moving along OP with velocity vector VA and B is moving along OQ with velocity vector VB. And angle between the direction of motion of the two bodies is theta. And here vector VB should be reversed. To get vector VAB, we have to add vector VA with minus vector VB. That's why in the diagram, VB should be reversed. We have to consider the opposite. VB should be reversed. We have to consider the opposite direction of motion of the second body, vector VB. Uh, because we have to add vector VA with minus vector VB. That's why you have to reverse vector VB. This is opposite direction of motion of the second body. With respect to relative velocity will be derived of the first body. This is OQ prime, opposite direction of motion of the second body. This is OQ prime and minus vector VB will be acting in this direction along OQ prime. Now we have to add OP and minus OQ. We have to add OP and OQ prime minus vector VB. We have to add vector VA and vector minus vector VB. That means we have to add vector OP and vector OQ. For that we can draw a parallelogram containing vector VA and minus vector VB. And along the diagonal OR, the resultant of vector VA and minus vector VB will be acting along OR. Vector VAB, that is resultant of vector VA and minus vector VB, will be acting. That means vector VAB, which is equal to vector VA minus vector VB, will be acting along the diagonal OR of the parallelogram OPQ prime, and that is according to parallelogram law of vector addition. Therefore, minus vector VB should be added with plus vector VA to get vector VAB. mod vector OR is equal, OR is the diagonal of the parallelogram OPQ prime. That's why mod vector OR, according to law of parallelogram of vector addition, mod vector OR is equal root over mod vector OP square plus mod vector OQ prime square plus 2 mod vector OP mod vector OQ prime, 2 mod vector OP plus dot mod vector OQ prime cos 180 degree minus theta. Here angle between the direction of vector VA and minus vector VB is 180 degree minus theta. This angle is 180 degree minus theta, which is the angle between vector VA and minus vector VB, or vector OP and minus and vector OQ prime. So now in place of mod vector OR, we can write mod vector VAB is equal to root over, this expression is derived from parallelogram law of vector addition. So equal root over mod vector VA square plus minus mod vector VB square into 2 mod vector VA mod minus vector VB cos 180 degree minus theta, 180 degree minus theta equal mod vector VA square is only VA square. So mod of minus vector VB is VB only. So that's why VB square plus 2 VA VB mod minus VB is only VB cos 180 degree minus theta. Therefore, mod vector VAB is equal to mod or only VAB equal to root over mod vector VAB equal root over VA square plus VB square minus 2 VA VB cos theta, because cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta. So we get minus 2 VA VB cos theta. This is the relative velocity of the body A with respect to body B. Relative velocity of the body A with respect to the body B. Now we can find the direction in which the body A will appear to move with respect to the another body B. We can explain the direction of apparent motion of the body A with respect to B. So this angle between vector V and minus vector VB is 180 degree minus theta, and vector VAB acts at an angle phi with minus vector VB. And here phi is measured with respect to minus VB. That's why it is first vector, and vector VA is the second vector. Hence we can say that vector VAB acts along the direction OR at an angle phi with minus VB, that is with the opposite direction OQ prime of the motion of the body B. Therefore tan phi equal mod vector VA, means magnitude of second vector sine angle between two vectors, magnitude vector VA sine 180 degree minus theta divided by minus mod vector VB, which is magnitude of first vector, plus mod vector VA cos 180 degree minus theta, cos 180 degree minus theta. So we get the expression of tan phi, and expression of tan phi as VA sin theta divided by VB minus VA cos theta. Cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta. That's why in the denominator we get VB minus VA cos theta. Therefore, phi equal tan inverse VA sin theta divided by VB minus VA cos theta. Therefore, phi equal tan inverse VA sin theta divided by VB minus VA cos theta. Hence, the body A, that is the first body A, will appear to move with a velocity VAB equal root over VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos theta. In a direction at an angle phi, tan inverse at an angle phi, phi equal tan inverse VA sin theta divided by VB minus VA cos theta with the direction of minus VB, or with the opposite direction of motion of the body B, with the direction of minus vector VB, or that is with the direction of opposite direction of motion of the body, with the opposite direction of motion of the second body B, motion of the second body B. So in this way we can describe the direction of motion of the body. This total angle between vector VA and vector VB is 180 degree minus theta. Say vector VB, relative velocity of A with respect to B will be along the direction OR at an angle phi with minus vector VB. That means if we denote the direction of motion of the body A along OA and direction of motion of the body B along OB. So vector VA is a velocity, actual velocity of the first body, and vector VB is the actual velocity of the second body. So with respect to vector VB, relative velocity of the body A with respect to the body B, the body A will appear to move along this direction with a velocity vector VAB. At an angle phi, vector VAB will be along a direction at an angle phi with minus vector VB. That means B will observe that A will be moving along OR, or in the direction of vector VAB at an angle phi with the negative vector minus VB. Similarly, the relative velocity, the relative velocity of the body B with respect to the body A, relative velocity of the body B with respect to the body A is vector VBA equal vector VB minus vector VA minus vector VA. Therefore, vector VBA equal vector VB plus minus vector A plus minus vector A. Vector VBA equal to vector VB minus vector A. Hence, mod vector VBA, mod vector VBA, hence vector VA should be hence minus vector VBA should be not that here, hence vector VA should be reversed and minus vector VB should be added with vector VB, because we have the expression vector VB minus vector VA, vector VB plus minus vector VA. That's why vector VA should be reversed and vector VA should be added with vector VB. Again, we can draw the diagram. So vector VA is acting in this direction. That means body A is moving along OP and another body B will be moving along OQ with a velocity vector VB. Now here vector VA should be reversed and two bodies are moving at an angle theta along OP and OQ. And here vector VA should be reversed. That means velocity of the body A should be reversed. So along OP prime vector VA minus vector VA is acting. Now we have to add vector VB and minus vector VA. For that we can draw a parallelogram, and according to parallelogram law of vector addition, along this direction, along this diagonal, along this diagonal, along this diagonal OR prime, vector VBA is acting. That means the body B will appear to move along OR prime, along the direction OR prime. An angle between vector VB and minus vector VA is 180 degree minus theta. And the body B will appear to move along OR prime with respect to the body A at an angle phi with the actual direction of velocity of the body. That means phi prime at an angle phi prime with the direction of vector VB. Hence, mod vector VBA or VBA is equal root over VA square mod vector VA square plus, it is incorrect, so you have to write minus mod vector VA square. We can erase this line. It should be minus vector VA. So here we can write vector VB mod vector VB square plus minus mod vector VA square mod minus vector VA square plus 2 mod vector VB mod minus vector VA cos 180 degree minus theta, 180 degree minus theta. So here we can erase this line to write the line, write this expression perfectly. Mod vector VBA or VBA equal mod vector VBA equal root over mod vector VB square plus mod minus vector VA square plus mod vector VB mod minus vector VA cos 180 degree minus theta. Here in the diagram, with respect to, so vector VB is added with minus vector VA, angle between vector VB and minus vector VA is 180 degree minus theta. Therefore, vector VBA equal root over VB square plus VA square, or VA square plus VB square, because mod minus vector VA is VA only, minus 2 VA VB cos theta. Here negative sign in front of 2 VA VB cos theta is due to cos 180 degree minus theta, because cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta. But mod minus vector VA is a VA only, that is positive VA. So relative, this is the relative velocity of the body B with respect to the body A. With respect to the body A. Again, tan phi dash VBA acts at an angle phi dash with vector VB, tan phi dash is equal to, here phi dash is measured with respect to vector VB. Phi dash is measured with respect to vector VB. That's why vector VB is the first vector and minus vector VB is minus vector VA is the second vector. Minus vector VA is the second vector. So in the expression of tan phi dash, say magnitude of second vector, sine angle between the two vectors, that is mod minus vector VA sine 180 degree minus theta, angle between minus vector VA and vector VB is 180 degree minus theta. That's why we have considered 180 degree minus theta divided by mod vector VB plus mod minus vector VA cos 180 degree minus theta. Therefore, tan phi dash is equal to VA sin theta divided by VB minus VA cos theta. Therefore, phi dash is equal to tan inverse VA sin theta divided by VB minus VA cos theta. VA sin theta divided by VB minus VA cos theta. This is the angle at which the body B will appear to move with respect to B. Hence, the body B will appear to move along OR prime. The body B will appear to move along OR prime with a velocity VBA equal root over VA square plus VB square minus VA VB cos theta. VBA equal root over VA square plus VB square minus 2 VA VB cos theta at an angle phi dash, at an angle phi dash, at an angle of phi dash equal tan inverse VA sin theta divided by VB minus VA cos theta. With the actual direction of motion of the body B, with the actual direction OQ of the motion of the body B, motion of the body B. Now we can compare with the addition of two vectors and subtraction of two velocities. Vector A, if vector A and vector B are added, then their resultant, that is vector A plus B, will be acting along this diagonal of this parallelogram according to parallelogram law of vector addition. Angle between vector A and vector B is theta. Vector A plus vector B acts at an angle phi with vector A. So if vector R equal vector A plus vector B, so this is vector R equal vector A plus vector B. If vector R equal vector A plus vector B, then R equal root over A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta plus 2AB cos theta. And tan phi dash and tan phi, and phi is measured with respect to vector A. Vector R equal vector A plus vector B, and R equal root over A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. And R equal root over A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, and tan phi equal B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Here phi is measured with respect to the vector A. That means vector A is the first vector and vector B is the second vector. We know that tan phi equal to magnitude of second vector sin theta divided by magnitude of first vector plus magnitude of second vector. So B sin theta means magnitude of second vector sin theta divided by magnitude of first vector means A plus magnitude of second vector B cos theta. Now we can compare this with the subtraction of two velocities, vector VA and vector VB. The diagram in this direction, vector VA acts means a body A is moving with velocity vector VA, and vector VB acts along OQ, that means in this direction, and we can extend we can draw minus vector VB. Now we can add vector VA and minus vector VB, and the resultant will be acting along this diagonal, which is vector VAB. Vector VAB equal to minus vector VA minus vector VB. We get vector R due to addition of vector A and vector B, and we get vector VAB due to subtraction of vector A and vector B. If vector VAB equal vector VA minus vector VB, then vector VAB equal root over VA square plus VB square minus 2 VA VB cos theta, minus 2 VA VB cos theta. Now angle between vector VA and VB is theta. Angle between vector VA and minus vector VB is 180 degree minus theta. And vector VAB acts at an angle phi with minus vector VB. As phi is measured with respect to minus vector VB, so minus vector VB is the first vector, and vector VA, phi is measured with respect to vector A on the left hand side, and phi is measured with respect to minus vector VB on the right hand side. That's why minus vector VB is the first vector and vector VA is the second vector. So therefore tan phi dash is equal to phi is measured with respect to minus vector VB. That's why minus vector VB is the first vector, whereas A was first vector and vector VA is second vector to find the expression of tan phi. And we know that tan phi is equal to magnitude of second vector, means VA sine theta divided by VB minus VA cos theta. Now for vector addition on the left hand side, we have 2 vector VAB cos theta. And for subtraction of two velocities, we are on the right hand side we have minus 2 VAB cos theta. On the left hand side we have A plus B cos theta and B cos theta, and here we have minus VA cos theta on the right hand side.